In this video, I'm going to be reviewing this product here. I've been using it a lot in my POV videos and when traveling and also unboxing. So this is Telesin Smartphone Magnetic Neck Holder. There are other versions of it where it's not magnetic or for other cameras like GoPros. This is now for about $30 in their store. And this is how it works. Here, there's a button. You can push the button and then open from here. And then put it around your neck and then snaps like this. And then you can change the angle of the phone as you want. And then snap the phone like this or vertically like this. Really nice. Oh, activated the flash. It can be folded like this. It comes very small. In winter, I was putting it on my winter jacket. Also, I can put it on my bag and takes a small space. In the box here, we can see that it comes with it 2 magnets that you can put on your phone in the back or in your phone cases to make them MagSafe or magnetic. And we have here some wipes, remove excess dirt. So this is for cleaning, probably for before attaching the magnets. And then we have this one here. This one can be attached to the phone case in case the phone fell from this device. It will be hanging and doesn't fall down. Before testing this one, let's test how strong the magnet in this one here. So let's take the phone, put it here, and then we can test. Seems good, strong enough. I've been using it and it has been reliable. I wasn't worried about it at all, but I don't know if it can be strong enough to be used for sports. That I would be worried maybe, but then that's why we have this part here. Let's put it on. It goes into a phone cover, so I have this one here. So you take the phone and then attach it here, and then you take the strap, put it in the device, and close the device here, and then you can be safe and not worry. The magnet is strong, so it might not fall, so let's do an extreme test like this. Yeah, it is hanging. Another situation where I see this to be useful is if you are traveling or in an unsafe place for your phone, it can be stolen. So if someone picks it up, it is still hanging and then it will pull your neck, but you won't lose your phone. So that's, yeah, useful. So now let's talk about, so now let's talk about what is not good about this product, or who is it not for? What's not working for you? This will jump if you are running, or if you are doing any kind of sport, it will be jumping like this. And it will give you an even shakier footage. So instead you will need something that has straps that go around your waist. The second thing, which is related to the first one, is that if you are leaning forward, it will do like this. You see? The angle will change and also it will be moving. So you will need also something to strap it, but how often do you need to use that angle? Think about it. Actually, after recording this video, I found that they have another version called Max, which is a larger size that comes with a strap. So I think that solves this problem. The last thing is this angle adjustment. It has 3 joints and they are stiff. I mean, they have to be stiff so they can fix on one angle without screwing things. And I like that, but it is hard to get to that angle that you want, and yeah. So I don't change the angle that much, but it is a bit hard to do it. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in another one.